welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, we'll be looking at the shortcuts PremierePro have in store for us and how we can customize our own shortcuts. Alright. The benefit of you getting familiar with your shortcuts is to make your work more faster, because you want to start looking around for the tools you want to apply, for the effects, some effects you want to make use of. Let's say for instance you want to use Razor 2. You have to come here to select your C. Yeah, I have mine here for easy access. You might have yours at the top part here, you might have yours around. Alright, I have mine here for easy access, and I have a video where I discuss how you can customize your workspace, right? That video I will put it somewhere around the video, and as well it's going to be in my description. So now here you have your Razor 2. You want to select it, you want to start cutting your clip here, and probably you want to use your pen. You have to come here to select it. So but now the point here is that some of the tools you have here, you can see that you're able to see a letter in front of them that shows that these are the shortcuts for these tools. Now you want to customize your own shortcuts for easy access. You know the letters you like to use, so you might want to make such letter your shortcuts for easy access. So how do you get to PremierePro shortcuts? You just have to come to your edit here, and here down here you're going to see keyboard shortcuts. So you can access this by clicking on Ctrl plus Alt plus K. Alright, so this pops up. Now you can see your keyboard. Alright, the shortcuts assigned to each of your keys on your keyboard. Here, let's just try something out. Let's pick U here. When I select U here, it pops up here. For now, U as a command of slide to as a command. Pressing Ctrl plus U gives you the underline and also the make subclip. So for now, Alt plus U is blank, it's empty. So let's try and customize. Let's give it something. Let's kind of look for an application that doesn't have a shortcut yet. Okay, yeah, let's try Remix 2. Alright, so when I click on Remix 2, I can easily just drag it here and drop it here. Now Alt has it. Okay, Alt plus U has it now. So I want to press OK. Now I have it here. Now mind you, this is a Remix tool, right? And right now the active tool is Selection tool. So here I am on my clip, which I have two clips here. Alright. So now let's say I want to apply the Remix tool. The Remix tool is meant for audio, alright? But the point here is that you're going to see my cursor changing to the tool, alright? So that's the main thing here. So now if I press the Alt plus U, you can see now I have the remix, but I can't remix the the clip, because remix is meant for the sound, for the audio. But you can see the console changes. And as well, let's go back there. Now here you can as well modify the existing shortcut. You have U here. If you don't want to remix to be this part, you can easily just cancel it here. Let's go to A. Yeah, this with A down. It says if you use Ctrl plus Shift plus A, this will deselect all. Alright, let's say you don't want that to happen. Alright, let's just say. So you can easily just cancel that and press OK. So when you come here and you press your Ctrl plus Shift plus A, nothing happens. Remember, Ctrl A select all. Now Ctrl plus Shift plus A is meant to deselect, but it's not working. That means you can modify your shortcuts. And like I said earlier, the benefit of this is to make your work faster. Alright, so if you find this video helpful, kindly give it a like. And if you're coming across my video for the first time, please subscribe. And I see you in the next. Stay creative.